afraid, you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water. So, were you guys going somewhere?
Two Squirrels Acorn Party. You should come too.
Hi, Squirrel! We're here!
Whoa!
But how come Squirrel isn't here? Ta-da! I'm here! In fact, I made something super duper special for you. Okay. Delicious and crispy acorn roast.